Good afternoon, class. Welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic Department of Information Technology. On today's practical session, we start the practical number 7 on course that is subject data structure using C. Here, your marks allocation for your course in a theory part and also practical part. Here, vision mission of departmental vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education, to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. After departmental mission, that three statements are there: to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to imbibe professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Course outcome: after the completion of this practical, after the completion of practical number 7, which CO we achieve? Third CO, that is implement basic operations on stack and queue using array representation. Practical course outcome matrix. In that, on today's practical session, we learn the practical number 7, perform push and pop operation on stack. This will be mapped with third CO. Okay. The content page, this list of experiments are there. After that, practical number 7, perform push and pop operations on stack. Algorithm and flowcharts are completed to you, referred to in a previous practicals. Program on in that practical number, this is your lab manual. Practical number 7, perform push and pop operations on stack. These are the practical significances. These are the PO, which PO are achieve: basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments and practices, engineering tools, communication. What will the output of this practical? Practical outcome is write the C program to perform push and pop operations on stack array. These are the minimum theoretical background. This stack, okay, what is meant by stack? Stack principle is used last in, first out. Okay. Push means insert the element. Pop means delete the element on that stack. Okay. Top is the pointer. Okay. On through top through your data is inserted and also data is deleted. Algorithm flowchart are completed. After that is the program output are write down. Then complete your table, result, conclusion. After that, in that practical session related question, 3 questions are there. Let's solve it. In that only for diagrammatically show to how to pop operations. Okay. In that these stackers are given. In that question is draw the stack after the pop operation using given below diagram. Okay. This diagram is drawn in this area, but in that said as the pop operation done. Pop operation done means when you draw the stack, same stack is draw it, but in that pop operation is done means this 60 will be deleted. Okay. This same all questions are done it. Okay. Diagrammatically draw it. That 3 questions are there. Okay. After this table is completed. Okay. In that table, previous tables are copied. That in practical related questions, 3 homework questions are there. 3 questions are given the extra questions. Define stack with diagrammatically give that example, means how to diagrammatically show that stack will be done. After that, push operation and also pop operation. In exercise question, 3 questions are there, that also solve it. In the exercise question, what is the said as the okay, perform following operations on stack of size 5. Okay. In that said as the programming exercise, use the blank page provided or attached more pages if needed. Okay. In that said as the perform operations on stack of size is the 5. It means it's diagrammatically show that First of all, push the 30, after that 12, 10, after that pop it, after again push it, and again it pop it, this like. Okay. In a third question is also that show the diagrammatically. In a second question, implement a C program to stack sizes 8 or push 10, 20, pop, push, pop. These operations are draw the final output. Okay. In that implement the C program means in this practical we done the program. Okay. Then in that push and pop operations are done. On that program we give the input as a this like. Okay, and we draw the output. Means in this question also draw the again that program. On that program, which programs are done in these practicals, that program give the input is in the question how to give us that inputs are give to the program output, and that find it which of the output will be final. Clear that? Means what? In this practical we done the program. Okay, and on that program when we give the input, when we run the program that give the input, that input are given in a question number 2 and find the final output. Okay, and also that are shown through the diagrammatically also. Okay, in a program. Okay, this is the program. Okay, that std code is the header files. Define max is the maximum number of 5 elements that can be stored. Okay, but in that question said as the maximum size is 8, so write again a program, and in that said as the size is the 8. Okay, clear that? This same program is done, but in that when we giving the output, okay, that time is giving the push the 50, that time give the push as the which in a question is said as the push is the 10. After that again enter the choice first, again give the push 20. After that choice is second, means pop. After that again one push. This like operations are done. Sorry. Okay. In that this program is also explained in a practical number 20. Sorry, this program is also explained in a lecture number 22 and also in a lecture number 24 that demonstrate using Turbo C software through Turbo C++ software through. I am also showing that how to run this. Again in practical session I am to show it, means third time I am to showing this program. So that also refer to the lecture number 22 and 24 also. Again that repeated it in this practical session. These are the means in that define maximum size of that array, okay, or stack. In that initialization top is equal to -1 stack. This is the global declaration. These are the function declaration. After that function call and after that function definition. This is the white main. Okay, in that printf and scan, in printf and scanf functions are used. Okay, in that switch case is used. Okay, after that is the in that function call push pop display exit, and in that function definitions. In that check first of all stack is full or not. Okay, it is full then exit. It is not full then elements will be added and top pointer will be incremented by 1. Again when we pop definition, in that check the first of all stack is empty or not. Is empty. This is empty, then printf function is message display stack is empty. Is not empty, then one by one element will be deleted. Using through display function, that element will be that element on that stack will be display. When we display, first of all we check that this is a stack is empty. Is not empty, then display the not empty means any one elements are there, so display it. This is the output. This is your program. Okay, in the switch case. pop operation. That push function definition, that pop function definition, that display function definition. Okay. We have completed it. Showing also in a turbo see-through. I have already that done in a program in a practical, in a lecture number 24. For example, I am given a push operation 1, given 10. Okay. 20. After that, pop operation is done. Okay. After that, I am again push the 10. Okay. We display it. Okay. This line. This is the question in our exercise question. In that, giving the first of all 10, after that 20, after that pop, after that again 10, again push 20, after that 3 times pop operation done, after that push again, after that again pop, and we find the final result. Clear that? How to solve this? In that, give the that output. This is your header files. After that, this is the global variable declaration, function declaration. Okay, this is your main function. Clear screen, output window will be clear. Printf. Okay, in that choice will be entered. The switch case is used. Function calls are there. After that, function definition one by one. Okay, push, pop, and display. Okay, clear that? Results, output of this practical attached after this program. Conclusion, by this practical I am able to done push and pop operations on stack. Summary, by this practical session to complete the practical number 7. Homework, prepare your practical number 7 in a notebook. Here, stop on today's practical session. In this practical, any doubts are arise, then contact with me. Okay. This practical depends on the this practical is already completed in a lecture number 22 and 24. In a 24th, in a theory parts, I explain this each and each line of the code meaning, and also in a 24 practical, I am also demonstrating using through Turbo C++ software. Again, in this practical session, I am explain the code and also demonstrate the using the Turbo C++. Okay, so their homeworks are given that are completed it. Otherwise, that marks will be effect on your term works. So again, warning you, daily your homeworks will be completed. Okay, thank you. And also another message is that they not taking a printout for this DSU subject on all program, algorithm, flowchart, output. Also you return your handwritten, means you didn't no any taking a printout and attach in a practical. Okay, this type of I am observing then effect on your term works marks. So all questions are done using your handwriting through, not any taking any printout. Okay, so now here on this practical session, complete your practical number 7 on a stack, push and pop operations are done. Okay, thank you.